Unfortunately, cancer has become the plague of the modern era. We are constantly surrounded by it. Moreover, even though we are daily struggling to avoid its deadly effects, the modern society is full of cancerous products, materials, and chemicals. We are exposed to this dangerous influence through the regular use of cosmetics, GMO foods, insecticides, pesticides, fluoride, herbicides, bleach, antibiotic toothpastes, cosmetics, shampoos, and sunblock lotions. The acidic environment in the body is perfect for the development of cancer, as the organs and blood are loaded with artificial foods, sugars, animal fat, and processed salt. The heart and the brain are trying to remove the toxins, and the cancer patients are advised to avoid certain foods which support the acidity of the body. Hi, and welcome back to our channel, where we are happy to provide you with the best health tips. To enjoy our videos constantly, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Sadly, most cancer patients die in less than 5 years due to the negative effects of the conventional cancer treatments, radiation, and chemotherapy as they try to destroy the healthy cells in the body. Yet, the real solution lies in the following: pathogens, viruses. And pathogens are anaerobic, meaning their growth is boosted in the case of lack of oxygen, and its abundance destroys them. Moreover, the survival and multiplication of cancer cells depend on the fermentation of glucose. Not only cancer, but numerous other ailments and diseases can be prevented by alkalizing the body. Hydrogen peroxide offers numerous benefits like regeneration of the hair, organs, and new skin cells. These are its most important health benefits: new stomach lining in 5 days, new skin and hair in 30 days, new DNA cell material and new liver in 45 days, new bladder in 49 days, new brain tissue and cells in 60 days, new skeleton in 90 days, new red blood cells in 120 days. Scientists have found there is a reciprocal relationship between the spread of metastasis and the amount of oxygen surrounding the cancer cells. Therefore, the more oxygen, the slower the spread of cancer cells. Hydrogen peroxide is especially beneficial in the case of cancer, as it destroys them since cancer cells are not able to break it down. Namely, the pancreatic enzymes effectively break down the thick protein covering the affected cells, so the immune system does not recognize them as cancerous. However, a more shocking fact is that this has been known for more than half a century. The difference between the affected and normal cells has been found by Dr. Otto Warburg, a popular Nobel laureate and a German doctor. He discovered that all cells derive energy from glucose, and the normal ones need oxygen to combine it with glucose, while the cancer cells do not. Now, you probably understand why obese people are more prone to cancer, as cancer cells require sugar in order to survive. Therefore, such oxygen treatments like hydrogen peroxide are completely safe and provide amazing effects. You should use 35% hydrogen peroxide and avoid 3% pharmaceutical grade, as it is not suitable for external use. This is how to use it. Pour 2 drops of 30 or 35% hydrogen peroxide in a glass of water and drink it. Pour it in a tub filled with warm water and enjoy this healthy bath for 30 minutes.